Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the new Space Nation token. Ticker symbol is OIK. Full name of the token is Space Nation Oikos. And this token, it was just announced, is getting at least a couple very big central exchange listings. Trading starts in 2 days, March 12th. We're going to go over the Space Nation token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, Space Nation is the ultimate adventure for space explorers. Start a journey of survival, exploration, and warfare in the far reaches of the universe. Navigate through dangerous environments, interact with various species, and uncover the secrets of ancient space ruins as a spaceship captain. We are excited to bring this game to life for players around the world, and our team of passionate developers is dedicated to delivering the best possible experience. Join us on this epic adventure and get ready for the vast unknown of space. So this token here is on the Ethereum blockchain, ERC20 token. You can find them on Etherscan. 18 decimal places on this token. There's a max total supply of 1 billion tokens, ticker symbol OIK. And it was just announced that this token will be listed on a very big central exchange starting March 12th, 10 a.m. UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search OIK when this token gets listed, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So, it says here, closed beta number 1 is Space Nation's first fully functional game test. Now, this version provides a series of main and side missions from resource collection to complete economic cycle of spaceship manufacturing, PvP, proof of contribution that rewards OIK token, and other gameplays. Anyone who owns an NFT of the Space Nation or has an activation code can enter. So you can check out the NFTs. There's the AlphaGate Prime Navigators, Enforcer Founder Edition, Tier 1 combat ships, Tier 2 combat ships, and Tier 1 mining ships. You can check out all of those NFTs on their webpage, spacenation.online. So it says Space Nation account and logisticos. Whether it's entering game testing or participating in events, a Space Nation account is essential. So you can register an account on the page that I just mentioned, and it says Logisticos is the user platform of Space Nation where users can participate in activities on the platform to win ORB whitelist, airdrops, activation codes, or other rewards. So the Space Nation and Immutable have reached a strategic partnership and will deploy the Space Nation online on Immutable ZK EVM. Immutable ZK EVM is a highly performant and highly secure Ethereum L2 chain. If you want to interact with Space Nation's contract on the immutable ZK EVM, such as buying spaceships, buying or selling CHR, buying fuel, you need to bridge your funds on immutable ZK EVM. So they do have here the vision and mission. It says our mission for Space Nation Online is to build a living, breathing space universe where people with different purposes can live, fight, socialize, and be proud of their accomplishments. Our missions for the Space Nation Online are, number one, a true game that satisfies both Web 2 gamers and Web 3 gamers alike, with seamless conversion in between. Number two, a sustainable ecosystem in the game and on the blockchain, allowing interoperability of assets between the game worlds and the outside worlds. And number four, expand beyond the game and create a original universe like the best of Hollywood space opera. Space Nation Online is a AAA space opera Web3 multi-massive online role-playing game that has been developed over the course of 3 years with a total budget of around 40 million USD. The game is led by a team of MMORPG veterans and an Academy Award-winning Hollywood movie director, Roland Emmerich, with a focus on building a complex and sustainable game economy on Web3 rails. Space Nation integrates both P4F and P2E elements, making it appealing to both massive Web2 gamers and selected Web3 users. The game's immersive and in-depth space opera setting offers endless possibilities for gamers to build their own unique identities, while the community building aspect of the game fosters lasting friendships that can span across the virtual and real worlds. As one of the first high-quality AAA Web3 games in the market, Space Nation has the potential to bridge the gap between Web2 gamers and Web3 to set the standard for Web3 gaming. Now, they have here the OIK token is the ecosystem token of the Space Nation series of games. There will be a total supply of 1 billion. We already went over that. No further assurances will occur. OIK represents the utilities in the Space Nation game series. Excluding participation in Space Nation Online, it incentivizes participants to engage in such activities as the Space Nation Online IP subsidiary games, community governance, and more through various use cases. Will be listed on central exchanges like Mexc Global. You can make NFT purchases with it. You can use it in the Space Nation Marketplace, DAO governance, airdrops, rewards, all sorts of stuff. Go check this token out. spacenation.online is the webpage. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.